Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can create a smooth scrolling effect in Wing Studio. So in order to do this one here, we're going to use a custom code. So basically, if you want to use custom code on your website, you need to subscribe to a premium plan. And the code that we're going to be used is in the description below. So just check right in and just copy and paste that link from the description. Now head over to your website dashboard here. For example, in my case, I'm going to select one of my website. And here you will now go to your Wing Studio dashboard. Now, what we're going to do here is go to the settings right here at the bottom left, and then scroll down, go to this advanced section, and then click on custom code. So here on custom code, what we can do here, just go to the option right there at the top. You can add a custom code right over here, and then you can paste the code, right? And then you can add the code to all pages or just select specific pages. And then the code that you have selected is on the head. And you can also edit and customize the custom code settings. As I've said, you just need to subscribe into a premium plan or upgrade to a premium plan to be able to use this feature. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.